So dudes, I am freaking tired. I just woke up. See you guys at Bimmerfest. Alright, so David was mobbing with us, and David's like, you know, traffic control for us so we can all stay together. But he ended up getting a flat tire. So what we're doing now is just waiting for him before we go to Bimmerfest. And yeah, no more hiccups on the way. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum this car because I did not wash it, and maybe I can make the inside look good. Just for my behalf, you know? Bimmerfest 2019 was amazing. Shout out to everybody that showed us up to your boy. You guys keep me motivated. Time for an epic Bimmerfest montage. Looking at cars, I mean, let's start asking people questions. So I'm just gonna ask people random questions. Here we go. So I'm not making a typical, you know, car meet video. I'm asking some trick questions. Sure. So we're gonna ask these guys, whose car is this one again? Mine. 530 originally, but a manual swap and B40 swap, so it's a 540 with a 5-speed. And this gorgeous ass wagon. This is your boy Alan. Kevin has this S52 E34 wagon. We're in Ruben's HE53. Taylor's 535 5-speed. So, time to ask him some questions. M5 or 540?
For me, 540.
I would say M5. M5? Okay. 540 or M5?
535.
Okay.
Yeah, dude.
All right.
Better than both.
Oh, people are gonna get mad at you on that one.
No, I've got a 542, but this is the daily driver. Very, very happy with it. 540 is definitely the cheaper one to go for.
Yeah.
Pretty similar power numbers, but the S30 MO is pretty cool, man. I like those.
Got you.
M5.
New BMW or old BMW?
No, old BMW.
Old BMW. That's what I'm talking about, right? You're not biased at all.
Yeah, I'm not.
You're not biased at all,
man. I mean, the new ones are nice, but you can't go wrong with the timepiece, you know?
Old BMW.
You're not biased at all, right?
No, of course not.
You're not biased.
Never.
New BMW or old BMW?
Old Beamers all the way, man.
Got you.
Old.
Oh, you're not biased, huh? It's not like you own that.
It's more mechanical, more direct.
New BMW or old BMW? Because I know you got both.
Both.
Which one
daily
did you choose?
is so old.
Alright, old BMW, nice. So, another one, stance or function?
Function. Always.
Function, bro, that's what I'm talking about.
Gotta be able to drive them.
So, for the 540 stance.
Stance.
Yeah. And the wagon is function, which is ironic.
I would say function, man. I like driving my cars, getting rowdy and stuff like that.
That's what I'm saying. Stance or function?
Function.
Function, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Function.
What about stance or function?
Both.
Both. Can you explain to us how you have both?
Well, okay. If it's bouncy as shit, I don't want it. If it doesn't look good, I don't want it.
Okay.
I gotta have both.
So that's why it's like this.
Yeah.
Favorite BMW?
E34.
Favorite BMW?
Damn. I mean, ever? Can I pick one?
Just pick one, yeah.
The original BMW M1.
Favorite BMW?
E38.
E38?
Yeah.
Wow, you're a big daddy type of
like
driver. The big bodies. Okay.
Probably have to be E36. E3, yeah.
Alright, M3.
E34.
E34.
E34 540.
Right here. I'm just kidding. You can ride it too. Drift or race? That's a good one. Drift, bruh.
I do like swinging sometimes.
Right.
It's fun. It's fun.
Drift or race?
Race.
Alright, another one. Drift or race?
I like both.
Well, what can you do in bags? There's a limitation.
No.
No limitation, you can do it?
It's just like a sprint, basically.
Nice, all
I
right.
mean, you can do both, but
Yeah, your boy is uneducated about the bag life. That's why I'm trying to have Alan to let me review his car.
gotta educate these people.
Drive it or garage it?
Both.
Both?
Have to keep it inside. I'm a detailer.
Oh, all right.
Clean and then drive it.
Alright, just because you're a detailer, you slide,
yeah.
man.
Drive it, bro.
Drive it, huh?
Don't be a trailer queen, man. You gotta drive it.
Drive it or garage it?
Drive it.
Yeah,
Both?
both. I would split the week. Yeah, exactly. No, I definitely drive it though.
Drive it or garage it? Drive, huh? Put that shit to use. That's what I'm saying. Modelo or Bud Light? Modelo time. Weed or beer?
Beer.
Cocaine or heroin? This video took us a whole turn. Jacket or stroke it? Yeah, I don't know. That's just a random. Blow or hose?
Hose.
Hose, there you go. Fucking cigarette or weed?
Weed.
Mushroom or acid?
I don't
Taking
know.
a turn to the worst.
Taking a turn for the worst. I don't know either.
Yeah, dude, that was a good one. I just wanted to get some reaction. Alright, your boy feels pretty bad because a guy was talking to me and there's so much shit going on. He said he had a beater E34 M5 and my car is kind of like a beater. It's not a beater, but you know, it was a working car. But long story short, I wanted to talk to him about his car, look at his car so I can compare and contrast and just, you know, talk to him, be his friend. Next thing you know, he's vanished. So just slide in my DMs, dude, or my Instagram if you actually watch the videos. Please, because I want to see your M5. I wish I seen it here, but I guess I took too long. So yeah, sorry for that. This is a call out to you, man. Dude, check out these posters though. Look at this. Yeah, look at this one, man. Check out these posters. You guys know me, I'm a little biased. What? Shout out to John, man. Look at this, man. Look at this. Look at it. Bam. Oh, there you go. Look at sick. I got this, guys.
YouTube now?
Dude, yeah. We need to link up, man. Oh, shit.
That's a badass little camera.
Right? Dude, it's cheap too. But yeah, we gotta link up with this guy, man. Let me drive a freaking brand new car right here. So yeah, this is John from Keeping Up with the Bavarians. Yeah. But let's see those other ones.
So that's the E34. This is probably my favorite. This is important, you guys. Teach them young.
Yup,
You gotta teach them young. Make some Beamer babies.
Yup.
That's what's important now. And then,
Damn, dude.
leave the exotics to be garage queens.
That's E28?
That's an E12.
Oh, E12.
Very OG,
Oh,
yeah.
damn, look at that, 535.
So I figured the idea behind this one was, you know, garage queens, they suck. So you buy a dope ass car, you have to drive it.
You guys know John, Keeping Up with the Bavarians. You guys know him, right? You know.
So happy to be on the vlog, guys.
Yeah.
Really appreciate, you know, the shout out because I love the videos you guys do. I really want to see your M5 get finished, man.
Shit,
I
yeah.
really wish you could have been here today.
I fixed it, but I had to pay the fees. I didn't want to pay it.
I don't blame you, man. It's expensive out here.
Yeah,
bro.
I gotta flip the shit. Yeah, sorry guys, I couldn't afford the fees. You guys know what's up. No matter.
Yeah, they know what's good. But either way, you know, happy to be on the vlog.
Dude, yeah, shout
Happy to link
out
up.
shout out for the love, man. Look, I got my own.
If you guys are looking for an
Look
E34
at-
poster,
Yeah,
TV.com.
I put it in the description. That shit's tight, dude.
Shameless promo.
Yeah, man.
Love it, you know, shameless promo.
Yeah, you're good, bro. I mean, we all out here, you're making quality content. Look at that. If it was shit, I wouldn't say nothing. But it's good. It's good. So, dudes. Anyways, that's Bimmerfest for you. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I did not want it to only be a car meet video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment, all that famous YouTube stuff. Your boy is very grateful. I had a good time. Shout out to everybody that said what's up to me. Shout out to everybody that was in the freaking questionnaire. And what could I ask for, man? It was a great turnout. I almost didn't come. Unfortunately, I didn't bring the M5 because M5 has some fees that I need to pay. Other than that, you guys will see the whole process I did a week before. I freaking did a crap load of work just to get it ready, and it's ready. But fortunately, the state won't let me drive it until I pay some fees to be on their roads. So if I owned all the roads, no one would have to pay tax. Alright guys, see you later. That's enough talking. Peace out, fair out. Chippy guys, the other way.